Speaking of video clips on the internet, how about this for a video clip? Xbox Series X unboxing is here. Well, I mean, it's not here, but it's here because some guy on YouTube by the name Willie Crow, and I can't. The clip just got taken down, but I think you found a substitute, a re-up. He's got an Xbox Series X in what looks like retail packaging, the real retail box, and this thing's not even out for a month. And you and I, we go back and forth with Microsoft. We know it's not easy to get this sorted out with the retail packaging, and he does it in the most casual way, like it's no big deal, and goes through the entire contents of the box. It's all wrapped up, all nice, and the controller, and all the rest of it. I don't know if it's Spanish or Portuguese or whatever's going on here, or where it leaked out of. It doesn't actually even, I don't believe in the video he even references where it came from. He's also just very excited. Now, some have pointed out, including yourself, Will, that the wrapping on the thing, you were a little worried, you're a little concerned. You saw the wrapping overlap the sleeve. And this is something that also, who's this YouTube user, the page that we're on the re-upload?
This guy's a 8-Bit Eric.
8-Bit Eric, assuming this video is still up at the time you're watching this, 8-Bit Eric pointed this out, Willie Doo pointed this out, that the paper looked a little less than perfect. Mm-hmm. And I looked at it and said, I think that's within the realm of acceptability. I unboxed a few products in my life. But Will thinks it's a little skeptical. Now, I would have agreed with you. I would have given you a little bit of skepticism.
Okay.
I would have added that similar ingredient. However, the video on the actual page is now taken down.
Right.
Which, to me, gives a little extra credibility to its realness. Mm-hmm. I don't know. I'm just guessing. Maybe not. Maybe they could get it taken down even without that. But this is our first analysis. I guess it's our first thing to go on with the retail packaging, which you could come to experience yourself if you happen to pick. That controller packaging, I know from previous generation Xboxes, that's exactly what it's like.
Legit.
In the white sort of foamish envelope with a little bit of tape. And the components themselves look correct also. So, again, we can't say for certain. It's all very curious. And, of course, we will have the real retail thing here relatively soon. This is all creeping up so fast. It's so many gadgets in so little time. Yes. At which point, then we'll know for certain if this is the actual unboxing experience. But I'm going to go on the side of yes right now. If I have to vote,
okay,
I'm going to say when we eventually unbox it, this is what the experience is going to be like. Are you going on the side of yes or no? Because you were so skeptical earlier, but now the video is taken down on the page that uploaded it.
I would say yes. This it would take a lot of work to orchestrate something like this. Mm-hmm. I would say, yeah, it's real.
I like that orchestrate.
Yeah.
I like that. You've thought about orchestrating in the past.
Yes.
You've considered orchestration. Mm-hmm. Anyway, it launches November 10th, and we're probably going to have a retail unboxing prior to that. So we'll do our comparison at that point. We'll see if Willie Crow brought the authentic stuff or not.